Hi everyone, welcome to another video. It's Femi Olaniyan here. So this video is not a crypto video, it is not a personal finance video. This video is kind of different because I'm here to announce that my team and I are currently building a fintech app. Now, if you're watching me for the first time, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Femi Olaniyan and I'm a crypto trader and I make videos on crypto and personal finance. I make videos on how to make money online, how to invest your money online, how to manage your money the right way and things like that. But this video is not about any of those things. This video is about the fintech app I am currently building with my team, and the name of the app is called Grownee. This is it right here. And in this video, I want to talk about why I'm building this fintech app, my plans with the app, and how this app can be of benefit to you. Now, another thing I want to do is that I want to make this a series where I take you along with me on this new journey. And I'm starting with this video where I'll be taking you from the beginning of this app, and then in the subsequent videos, I'll be sharing with you the update and the progress we are making with the Grownee app. Now, for this particular series, I don't have a name for it right now. So please, I want you guys to please suggest maybe a name for this series and just put it in the comment section below, because honestly, I don't know what name or title to give it. So please help me suggest nice names or nice titles for this series in the comment section below. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is why am I building a fintech app? So it's simple. The reason I'm building a fintech app is it's actually a story. Not like it's not straight to the point, it's a story, and I'll be happy to actually share it with you, and I'll be glad if you guys can listen to it. Now, for those of you that have been watching my YouTube videos for a very long time, you already know that I've said this a lot of times, or maybe several times, that since I was a teenager, I've always loved saving money, managing money, investing money, and also making money. I've always enjoyed that, and it has been part of me since I was very young. And then fast forward to 2018, I discovered apps like Cowrywise and Piggyvest, and to be very honest, I fell in love with the idea of the app, and I was like, one day, I actually want to own an app like this to help people get better with their finances, because that was the kind of person I was. I was this kind of person who was always focused on saving money, making money, and investing money. That was the kind of person I've always been since I was a teenager until that time, 2018, and even till now. So when I saw apps like Cowrywise, Piggyvest doing what they were doing in 2018, I was like, one day I really want to own an app like this to help people get better with their finances. Now, fast forward to 2024, after I finished my final exams from Obafemi Awolowo University, I decided to start working on achieving that particular goal of owning a fintech app. And with the fact that I have so much passion for personal finance and educating people on how to get better with their finances, this really helped me to go ahead with pursuing the goal, because as at 2024, I already had a YouTube channel where I was talking about crypto, personal finance, how to make money, how to invest money, how to start a business, and all of that. So that even gingered me to actually go ahead with achieving this goal. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is that what kind of fintech app am I actually building? Now, you see, we plan to launch the Grownee app as a savings and budgeting app, and I'm going to give you the reason for that. Now, you see, this is another story. You see, before October of 2021, I had never budgeted my money before in my life. I never knew anything like budgeting, though I was hearing about it, but I never budgeted my money. I never did it myself. So I was just making money and I was just spending it. I was making so much money, but I wasn't having like any tangible amount of money in my bank account at the end of the month. So in October of 2021, I decided to track all my spending for that month and to actually know where my money was going. So I did that for October, and I did it for November, and I did it for December of 2021. And you know what? After December of 2021, I discovered that I was wasting so much money on a lot of things. I was actually spending more money than I was making at that time. So when I discovered that, so in January of 2022, I decided to create a budget and to start tracking my spending and know where my money was going, and to make sure that I was spending less than my income. And I was actually using a Google Sheet for this. Even before using a Google Sheet, I tried to find like different apps on the internet to do this or to make it simple for me, but I couldn't find one to actually do it in a simple and stress-free manner. So I was just using a Google Sheet to do it. And I'm sure there are a lot of you who are using Google Sheets for budgeting right now. You know, you have to go there to actually go and add up your recent spending to your previous amount, all of those things. It's kind of stressful. So because of that, I decided to create an app for budgeting. Now, this thing is not for budgeting alone. We will also have savings features on the app, and we also have more features on the app that will come later, which I don't want to talk about right now. So we have so many good features that are coming on the app, but we don't want to launch everything at the same time. We want to take it one step at a time. I hope you understand. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is what are my goals for the Grownee app. You see, right now, my goal for the app is simple. I actually want to see people get better with their finances through the Grownee app. And you see, budgeting is something that really helped me. It really helped me to get better with my finances. And I strongly believe that it will help a lot of people. It's just that some people still don't know what budgeting is all about in Nigeria and even in Africa. So Grownee is that app that we're using to introduce budgeting fully to Nigerians and to also Africans. So you can be able to know how to budget your money in a stress-free manner and also know where your money is going every month and how to track your money. And aside from that, you're also going into savings, investment, and other features that will be coming on the app later. Another thing I'm trying to achieve with the Grownee app is that I want it to be the best budgeting and personal finance app you will ever use. Like once you download it and you start using it for a period of time, I want it to be your best personal finance app on your phone. So that is the goal with Grownee. And like I said earlier, I'll be documenting the whole process on this YouTube channel. I'll be showing you guys the updates, what we are doing, maybe the ups, the downs, everything. So if you're interested in doing all of these things, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also go ahead and subscribe to the Grownee's YouTube channel. I'll put the links in the description below. Now, another thing I want to talk about that a lot of people have been asking me is that what will actually make this app easy to use for both budgeting and saving. Now, the first thing we're actually doing is that we are making sure the user interface and the user experience on the app are both good. So you are making sure that it will be a very simple way for you to budget your money, a very simple way for you to enter your expenses, your income, and also save money. So we're making sure it is simple to use. That's the first step. Now, the second thing is that we also have a statistics page where you can actually see the summary of your spending every month and even for previous month. So maybe you want to see how much you spent in a particular month, you see it. If you want to see where you spent your money the most in that month, you see it. If you want to see where you made money from the most, you will see it. If you want to see what took your money lesser, you will see it. So if you want to see anything about how you spent your money, how you made money for any month, you can see it on the Grownee app. Now, the third thing about the Grownee app is that you also be able to download your budget report at the end of every month. So maybe, for example, you want to download your budget report, just like how you download your bank statement. It's exactly the same thing. So you also be able to download your report at the end of every month on the Grownee app. And the fourth thing about the Grownee app is that we are working on a feature where you'll be able to get alert or you get notified on the app when you spend, for example, 50% of your budget, or you spend 80% of your budget, or you spend 100% of your budget for that month. So we are not building the app to stop you from spending your money. That's not our goal at all. Now, our goal is to help you know how you are spending your money and to help you make good decisions with your money. It is as simple as that. Because to be honest, it is when you're actually conscious of how you spend your money, you can actually now save money, you can invest money, and you can even make more money. So budgeting is like the foundation of personal finance. It is the foundation of actually getting better with your finances. So if you are serious about growing your finances in 2026, I think the Grownee app is what you actually need. So right now, I'm going to take my phone, show you what we have on the app right now, because we're actually planning to actually open our beta version of the app so that some of the people on our wait list can actually, test what we have built so far. So let me show you what we have. So as you can see right here on the screen, this is the Grownee app. This is the app icon. So once you open the app right here, this is the first thing you see. This is the homepage of the app. So you can see your expenses right here. You can see your income. So if you come to the expenses part, you can see this is the budget. This is just to test the app. So I'm planning to spend just 1 million naira throughout this month. That's what I've planned to spend throughout that month. I can see the total amount of money I've spent so far is 95,000 naira. And then I have 5,000 naira left to spend for this month. So that means that from the home page, or once I open the app, the first thing I'm seeing is, okay, how much I've spent so far this month, how much I have left for the month. So you can see it there, and you can see the way you spent your money. So you can see for your rent, I've not spent anything for the rent. It's just 0 naira. For food and groceries, I've spent 35,000 naira this month. For my utilities like electricity, airtime, I've not spent anything this month. For my transportation, I've spent 40,000 naira this month. So you can be able to see it. If you want to see the other ones, so you can see like all your other categories right here and how much you spent for each one. So you can see that it is something that is actually helpful. And if you come to the bottom, you can see where your recent spending. So you can see all your recent spending right here, all the transactions you made. But this is just like how you see your your transactions. I hope you get it. So that is just how the homepage looks like for the expenses. If you come to your income side, you'll be able to see how much you've made for that month. So you can see I've made 1.80 million naira for this month. And you can see business. So you can see business 500,000, salary 1.3 million. So you can be able to see where your income is coming from or how much you're actually making. It's as simple as that too. And then, like I said, you also have the stats page. If you come to the top right here, so this is the stats page for February 2026. This is my total income. This is my total expense, the total amount of money I've spent for this month. You can see all my sources of income and how much I made. You can see all my expenses and how much I've spent on each category. So it's simple. And if you also want to download your report, you want to download it in the form of a PDF or like how you download your bank statement, just come here to the top, click on it, and you can see where it says share report, download your report, or view wrap. So it's as simple as that. So if you want to download your report, you click on download. If you want to view your wrap, like you know how you have your Spotify wrap, we also did it like that. So you just come here to where it says view wrap. You can be able to see your February personal finance wrap. So you see my total expenses. I'll spend 95,000 naira to show me my overspent. Oh, sorry. It will show me my overspent, my total income, and all of that. So this is just like what we have on our beta version. So at least you have the idea of what the app is going to look like. So we've not added the savings feature yet because we want the budgeting feature to start working really well before we start adding other features. Like I said earlier, we won't take it one after the other. So that's what we have on the app so far. We are still building, and we have only built the budgeting side of the app, like I said, and we still have more features to add. So we are taking it one step at a time. Now, one thing I'm actually looking forward to is that I can't wait for people to actually use this app to actually get better at their finances, and I hope it actually works for people. And if you would actually love to use the Grownee app when we launch it, please click on the first link in the description of this video to join the waitlist, or you can just check the link in the pinned comment of this video. Now, like I said at the beginning of this video, I want to make this a series and show you guys the building process and also everything about the app when we launch and even after we launch the app. So if you have a good name for the series, don't forget, please just suggest anyone in the comment section below. And if you have any advice for me, any suggestions, or maybe you feel like there's a way we can actually collaborate on this new journey, please just send me a DM on Instagram at the Femi Olaniyan, or just send an email to business@femiolaniyan.com. Whichever one, I'm going to see your message and I will definitely reply. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.